Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is how to add a label to a note in Google Keep. Google Keep, much like Gmail, allows you to put labels on your notes to keep them organized. These labels can be something like urgent or to-do list. Labels can help you with searches in Google Keep as well. In the search bar, you can limit your search to a particular label that the note falls under. Let's look at how to add a label to a note in Google Keep. Open Google Chrome and in the address bar type keep.google.com and press enter. Hover over one of the notes you want to add the label to and click the three vertical dots in the bottom right and click Add Label. In the Label Note dialog box, click where it says Enter Label Name and type the name of the label you wish to use. Then hit Enter and click off the note. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.